Hello everybody and welcome back to Evoland. Last time we unlocked the village, so we will go to the mountain to fight the ghost, Kefka ghost. They said so. Okay, we will head there immediately. Be careful, monsters on your way to the caves. Yep, thank you. There you go, another unlock. What? Thank you for saving me from these monsters. I need the crystal in the cave to save my hometown. Will you help me? Yes. By the way, my name is Kairis. The crystal caves. We need to find the crystal. Its power can change our perception of the world. And with it you can fight the evil that threatens my village. By the way, I just noticed that I forgot to ask your name. Nope, not Link. Ay, what the? Okay. The girl is what the hell, dude? That was very rude. You got looks like the cave is inhabited. Hi. Okay. My ears. Too loud. Okay. Too loud for my taste. Ang kurba. Gills. Okay, nothing. I never thought I would use the D-pads. But thingies. Ow! Okay, 50 gills. There's border. Boulder. Or small stones. Let me check. Okay. Yep. Cannot cross that area. experience points. You can now get XP new levels while fighting. Okay. Ow. Okay, nice. 3 XP. Ow. No. Ow. I never thought I would fight those again. Okay. Alright. We've unlocked it. Okay, game save noise. Thank you for that. And then go to the down first before we put the before we fight the ghosts of the and you know, and now I am planning something. Okay, so, but where? Okay. Fear and Hunger. I know. I mean, talking about this, I'm going to play it, and I am sure I'm going to edit a lot of videos before I publish it. It's going to be a pain in the rear for sure. Especially modding it. There you go. Okay. You woke up the guardian of the castle. Alright. This one looks powerful. He was the crystal's guardian for many centuries, but it looks like it has been corrupted by some evil power. Most likely, the same evil that has attacked my hometown. Let's get the crystal, we need its power to fight. Sounds like a good plan. Okay. Let's see. Okay, nope. I'm not that stupid. Okay. He really thinks I'm going to fall into that trap. There you go. Please die already. Okay. Thank you for that. Oh, nice. The crystal power has been activated. Okay, we will turn it into another graphics, I think. Yep. New graphic style. The power of the crystal is incredible. Now I feel like I can fight the evil which threatens my village. But we will have to cross the Noria mines in order to reach it. Thank you for helping me. You're my hero. What the? Oh wait, where are we going? Oh. Okay. 16-bit music. Alright. Nope. Live cards. Alright. Okay. Okay, another one. I think there is texture. Wait. No texture yet, but I think yeah. But looks like they have textures already. I like this concept though. Evolution in every game style. I like this. I will play the second game of this after I finish this. One game at a time first, so I don't want to be overwhelmed. Oh. At first I was thinking of, should I play this or not? But I will play Metro Quester. So I hope you guys enjoy it. By myself going to suffer on that old RPG style. Those kinds of games giving me a headache when I play those kinds of styles. Okay, pixelated textures. Okay. What happened to you, sir? Right. The access has been blocked by the dimensional stone. Try the path to the east. Alright, thank you very much. But we crossed it though. The path is reserved for agile adventurers. I hope when I have the material against that, I will get it. I will get all those again. I will backtrack. So there will be no problems for me 100%ing it while I'm making a series on this. Yeah. Let's check around it first before we proceed on the objective again. Ow! Okay, this is not the path to the Noria mines. Let's head south instead. Alright. Life bonus. Alright, thank you very much. Okay, when I heal it up, there will be that. Okay. Camera zoom. Build of the venue. very cool when you get a new item. Hey, how can? Oh my. Oh man. Okay. So, okay. I think we'll fight the first boss on the mines. Okay. Star. Okay. Okay. There's this one. Okay. Okay, nice. Wasp. So nice to drink a hot chocolate. Hey. Hot Milo. Ow. HD check textures. Nice. Okay. At least this is a good idea. They publish it here on Android. Yeah, so I don't know, but when I see Android games or PC games ported here on Android, like good. Noria mines are just south of here. If we can get through them, we will reach my hometown. I hope everybody's doing okay there. These are my hero. Yeah, like that. Continuing on the side tangent, I say. Like then wait, earlier I think if I'm early, I receive one. I look at internet some articles like what is the new thing in Android like that. I've been a fan of it on Android. It's far more better because of the openness and not being selfish now when Google announced like we will be like Apple now, like so you cannot pirate anymore and sideload, and it's so disappointing to me, like bruh, really? There's no the uniqueness of an Android is like openness of it, not like being the same like iPhone or Apple devices, bro. That's the most disappointing part for me because of the wait. Ow. Okay. Ow. Yeah, that's why I'm so mad on it. You say something like that. I can just say like okay, like that. No. Even still the side loading thingy is needed here because there are many good comforts here in Android, to be honest. When that thing happened, I know it's for security purposes, but that thing still can be broken. I can be reached on other grounds on it. Okay. I can see something under the water here. There must be another mechanism nearby. Okay. Yeah. That's my 2 cents on it. Like, why changing that? Why changing something that isn't broken? That doesn't make any sense. Like, okay, let's go back. It doesn't make any sense for me as a Android user. For some people, it's you're a pleb. They say. I just hate those kinds of people like that. I just don't like them. The way they think like that. Bro, Android is far more open in a way. I know it's easy on Android, but nice on iPhone, on Apple side, but it's not open and then they steal your IP when you publish on the App Store. So disgusting. Disgusting business practice. Okay, it's lagging. And it's lagging out. I got choked there in a sec. You really need to ambush them. Excuse me. Looks heavy. Don't hurt your back. I got choked there while drinking Milo. Oh man. There you go. Would never thought they would do that. Okay, not allowed to cross. Not allowed to go there first. Okay. Nice. Pots. There's a pot. High definition user interface. Bye-bye. Lovely square pixels. Welcome anti-aliasing. There was a lot of monsters in the previous room. I hope you're not bothered. Sorry if I can't give you that much fighting. At least let me heal your wounds. Thank you very much for that. I appreciate it. Okay. Poop. Oh man, I cannot forget that sound, like on Looney Tunes. I think was the on the Coyote cartoon series. Coyote shorts. If I'm correct, park me on that. Because I don't know much. I forgot it. Oh, no. Yeah. Knew it. There you go. Oh yeah. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. No. Don't. Okay, I cannot solve this. Oh, okay, knew it. Ow! This game. Key. And by the way, I will play Undertale again. I played it before because I just love the game, but I will not kill anybody or any character there or any encounter I will have, so no. I will not kill anybody there because I hate those. No. Okay. I will not kill anybody. That's why. That's the reason I cannot. Oh, I've got a very bad feeling about this. Watch your steps. Thank you very much on your intuition, Miss Lady. Okay, I will bomb this later when I get back here. Correct. Okay. When I have the bomb. Thank you. Auto fire. Oh no, almost there. Okay. There you go. Oh, wait, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey. Survive there. Ow! Okay, ow. Okay, very painful. Second Densetsu 3 or Trials of Mana in the Western release. So the remake here, there's a Android port, so I can play it a lot. I love those series. But I don't have the 3D remake because it's on PC only, sadly. No words for them. Because I cannot do it. Okay, we will fight the thing here. But I need some. Okay, later. There's a strong evil presence ahead. I hope it's not another frightening monster. Maybe a cute devil on this time. Excuse me. Something is coming. I hope so. You shall not pass. Hey, he looks like you. Is it real foe or just a shadow? Whatever it is, we have no choice but to fight it. For sure. We need him to charge us. Okay. Oh! Yeah, come on. Don't be shy. There you go, defeated. Okay, let's get the items we need. Let's go back for now. Get these two things, then we will go back here, Noria Mines, to get your secrets. It was an accident. Oh man, I love the connotations of this game. When I get something, you got looks heavy but very cool. Does it remind you of Sampa's Hero? Does it remind you Sampa's Hero? Oh my god. I forgot the name of that sword again in FF7. I can feel fresh air coming from outside. I think we have reached the exit of the Noria Mines. Let's hurry to the village. Oh, it's not too late. Well, wait. Let's go. 3D fights. Although until the 4th dimension comes. Oh my god, I don't. Nope, I like it. My mind. I really love the connotations here. Where's your town? Is it how? You got wait, what was the name again? Augay Village. At last we're back. I hope everyone is fine. I'm happy the village has not been swallowed by the waste. Will the power of the crystal be enough to save us? Okay, let's talk to the welcome out to Augay. Our village was once flourishing. Look at it now. The mana tree used to protect the whole country. Now something powerful has come back to the Black Citadel and started corrupting the mana tree to spread the waste. I fear the whole Augay will be gone soon, and it will not stop here. I hope you are I've heard very worrying rumors lately. People say even the sacred grove to the south had been corrupted. It was such a quiet and wonderful place. If that is true, I fear there is no hope left. Oh dear. Okay, alright. That restless child. He keeps running around all day long. Running around is really tiring. I'd rather play with firecrackers. You got card players. I just love Double Twin. Not just playing the game but also finding the cards. Most of them are quite easy to find, but the most powerful ones are well hidden. I'd love to see a complete collection one day. Nice. What is this? For now, silver armor. Clouds. Letter A. We must keep our spirits high despite what is happening. I'm your man if you want to play the game of Double Twin. Yes. Rules. 5 cards random from this deck. Okay. You can pause it if you want to read it. Okay, yes. Okay, we will try that. Oh my god, okay. Okay. The ruins on to the northeast hold many treasures and dangers. You seem like a nice guy, so I'll give you a discount on any bone mending if you go there. Any healing now? Yes, thank you very much. Save your game. Yes. Okay. First, we will go to the other side, north side, I think. Let's go to the west side. Here. Oh, okay, we can enter any house. Nope. I am not allowed yet in 3D style. Cannot enter yet. Here. We will go here first. Okay. Let's go talk to the NPCs here. Uncle. Okay. Is everything fine? Seed. Okay. Iris, you're finally back home. A lot has happened here, and the waste has been spreading faster. Almost half of Augai is already gone. We need to act fast. Uncle, we've got the power of the crystal and Claude's blade from Noriaman. That should be enough to defeat whatever evil lies in the Black Citadel. Oh, I've found here to wield the sword. We are ready to go back to the Black Citadel. That's good, but you'll need the amulet of Gorn to enter the Citadel. It's been split in two parts. The first one is in the Sacred Grove. You can find the grove south of Augai. I went there last week, and the cliff near the entrance has collapsed recently. You will need a bomb to clear it. You should talk to Garen, the bald guard player in the market. He used to be an officer in the army. Could you try find the bombs so we can get into the Sacred Grove? During this time, I have to find a way to get stronger. I think I should not always rely on you protecting me. I'll go home and try to find something in my father's library. He was a mighty wizard. He knew many powerful spells. Okay. I'll join you back later. Go talk to this Garen about the bombs. Thank you very much. Her mother had a strong will too. Good luck. Okay, let's talk to the people here. Okay. Sorry, I can't help you. I don't know anything about the bombs. What would you want a bomb anyway? We're in enough trouble as it is. I've lived in Augai for 60 years, as far as I can remember, the Black Citadel has always been abandoned. Now some evil grows there, as it did ages ago. Sure, I can't help you. I don't know anything about bombs. No one knows. Okay. I don't know to. Oh, I think we will grind, but now we will end the episode for now. After I save, okay, after I get the bombs. At least I have the thing. Now, yes. Oh, no. What is it with this obsession to blow things up now? I'm your man if you want to play a friendly game. Double twin, no? You're looking for mom? I retired from the Demacia army a long time ago and I didn't keep this kind of things. You should talk to our nurse just north of here. She knows all the gossip there is to know about Augai and its people. Oh wow, thank you. You're looking for bombs? You should talk to that old crazy woman who lives near the well. She kept all sorts of weird things in her cell. Good thing I just received this new bomb to treat Major Barnes. Thank you very much. Ano? Do I need? Yeesh. I need some 5,000 to get the rarer CD, I think. 5,000. Then 10,000 for rarer card. I'm not sure that's a scam, I think. Don't know. Bombs, you say? Yes, I have been some they're in there since the war, but I'm almost certain they will still work just fine. But I only give them to you if you do something for me. You see, a dragon has been attacking the countryside, living on the charred ground behind it. We need to get rid of the mighty beast. Deputy Rylan was on patrol this week. He should be able to tell you more. You'll find him at the entrance of the village. Thank you very much. I have many things. I need to go this person and go this person before I get the bomb. I need those extra steps. This guy. The dragon? Well, I don't think anyone really saw a dragon. But I did see the marks on the ground. Big round craters of charred earth. I only even hard to tell that kid had to get back to the village. I always see him playing around the craters. You can't let children play near the dragon. You should talk to his mother. She lives in the house next to Sid's. Again. You're old enough to know Dragon 6 don't exist, right? That damn kid must have stolen the bombs from the old etc. I thought those firecrackers were a bit too big and heavy. Tell him to give you the bombs. I just hope they will be safer in your hands. Wait. So I'm going there. Let me check if I'm correct. My mother knows about the bombs. I'm in so much trouble. But it was so fun. It was probably worth it. Can at least keep one. Now we have the bombs. I learned a powerful spell. Did you find the bombs? Handle with care. Bombs. Wait, let's head to the secret grove. Seek south of him. There's no time to waste. Of course. We will. Okay. Well then. This is the end of the episode, everyone. Thank you for watching Deus Vault.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it, and banish all their fears. Sing a ta-ra-row and a row-row-row for the British grenadiers.